Hello, my name is Joshua Connolly. I'm a pre-sales analytics engineer at Trendalyze, and today I will explain how tracking driving micropatterns can improve fuel and maintenance costs. 47% of fleet total cost of ownership is driven by driver behavior. Also, there is a 35% difference in fuel consumption between good and poor drivers. You can also see up to a $40,000 saving from reducing hard acceleration and deceleration per 1,000 vehicles. There is up to a 75% increase in tire costs when harsh braking and sudden acceleration are corrected. Flattening the accelerator and accelerating quickly leads to more crashes, more claims, and larger claims. The ability to look at just a few patterns like acceleration, braking, torque, and steering wheels across roads and weathers can help make positive impacts for your fleet. So why don't more companies do this? Well, machine learning models are complex and hard to translate to your drivers, while KPIs, counts, and averages are not precise enough to convince them. But when you're looking at micropattern monitoring, this is very effective because seeing is believing. Setting out to standardize driving behaviors is a challenging task, and drivers are resistant to change due to their biases on their own driving. However, when you show them that their patterns are increasing costs, it sets an obvious standard and shows them how they can improve. Correlated patterns are useful because they show drivers which specific behaviors they are engaging in and how they are damaging. When you look at throttle speed and its effect above on fuel consumption, it shows the drivers that it's their behaviors that are causing this. I will now show you how to conduct these searches on our Trendalyze software. Here we are looking at CAN logger data for several drivers across the same road, and it tracks various measures. Right now we are going to do a search on the measures fuel consumption, accelerator pedal, and engine speed. Currently we are looking at driver A, and you can already see a bunch of different spikes. Now if we zoom in on some of these spikes, we can get a better look. Once we zoom in, we can see that there are several instances where driver A is going from 0 to all the way to the top in the instance of accelerator pedal. Right here we can see him going from 0 to maximum. So now we're going to want to click search, and we can search this motif. We're going to select all so we can do our correlated search and click motif search. Now what this is going to do is scan this pattern and look across all of the driving behavior to give you matches. So now what we can do is click matrix view, and this is going to show our 9 best fits. So now this shows you all the different instances where driver A is going rapidly accelerating and causing the damage to his vehicle. Now imagine you had a 2,000 vehicle fleet, and you can automate this and get the results automatically to show to these drivers what they're doing and how it's damaging. You can also, once we have this search, look at another driver. So say we want to look at driver E. Now that we have the motif already selected, we can just click motif search again, and it's going to search that same pattern but across driver E. Now we have our results for driver E. This shows you all the instances again where they are rapidly accelerating and what it's doing. Now that we have these results, we can save them to the Trendalyze software. We press this button here, click save, choose our folder, give it a name, and it's done. That easy. Thank you.